Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at some additional divisibility rules. First one, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is also divisible by the factors of the other number. Let's take an example. 24 is divisible by 8. What are the factors of 8? Factors of 8 are, these are the unique factors of 8. So if 24 is divisible by 8, then 24 is also divisible by 1, 2 and 4. That is what this rule says. 8 is multiple of 2 and 24 is multiple of 8, so 24 is going to be multiple of 2 also. And that's why if a number is divisible by another number, then that number is also divisible by factors of the second number. Let's look at the second rule. It says if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is also divisible by product of those co-prime numbers. Let's remember what we spoke about co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are numbers who have no common factor other than 1. So 4 and 5, they are co-prime numbers. 5 and 8, they are also co-prime numbers. Because what are the factors of 5? 5's factors are 1 and 5 and 8's factors are 1, 2 and 4. The only common factor between them is 1. No other common factor. Hence they are co-prime. Now what our rule says, let's take a number 80. 80, is it divisible by 8? Yes, it is divisible by 8. 8 tens are 80. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5. Then as per the rule, 80 must be divisible by product of these two. Product, which is 8 multiplied by 5. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. Can 80 be divided by 40? Yes, 40 2's are 80. And hence we see that the rule holds true. We'll take one more example. We have number 105. Now is this number divisible by 5? Yes, last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Is this divisible by 7? What we do? Multiply the last digit by 2. 5 2's are 10. Subtract from here, 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 divisible by 7, so 105 divisible by 7. So 105 is divisible by both 5 and 7. And we also know that 5 and 7 are co-primes. Because 5 and 7 are co-primes and 105 is divisible by both 5 and 7, 105 will also be divisible by product of these two numbers, which is 5 7's are 35. So 105 should be divisible by 35. And if we see 35 3's are 105. So that's our rule number 2. What is rule number 3? Rule number 3 says that if two numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum also is divisible by the number. So let's take two numbers. Let's take two numbers as 16 and 24. Now both are divisible by 4. 4 4's are 16, 4 6's are 24. Then addition of these two numbers. What is addition of these two numbers? Is 40. Also will be divisible by 4. And we can see 4 10's are 40. It is divisible by 4. If you look at this, this can be explained by our distributive property. Because 16 is same as 4 multiplied by 4. And 24 is same as 4 multiplied by 6. Now if I add them, as per distributive property, I can take the common out, which is 4. And in bracket will remain 4 plus 6. Now we see that 4 is a factor. 4 was factor of 16 and 24. And now 4 is also factor of the result, because it is common, and hence the number, the result is going to be divisible by 4. Let's reiterate the rule. The rule says if two numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is divisible by the number. Now if you remember, the distributive property applies not only for addition but also for subtraction. And hence we get our fourth divisibility rule. And that rule says that if two numbers are divisible by a number, then the difference of these two numbers is also divisible by the number. So in this case now 16 and 24 are divisible by 4. What is the difference between 16 and 24? It is 8. And then 8 will also be divisible by 4. And we can see 4 2s are 8. Same way we can show this. 4 into 6 is 24 minus 4 into 4 is 16. It's going to be equal to 4 common from both, in bracket non-common term which is 6 minus non-common term here is 4. 6 minus 4. And because 4 is factor, this number is definitely going to be divisible by 4. So to reiterate our rule, if two numbers are divisible by a number, then the difference of these two numbers is also divisible by that number. Factors and multiples is a very interesting topic. Do watch our other videos on this topic to get complete understanding of this topic. And do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever we upload a new video.